2022 Zx6r. We've already done a couple things on this bike, including a full Bassani, the rear fender eliminator, and some other little odds and ends. So what we're gonna do today on it is a brand new set of Impaktech race rails, as well as a steering dampener and a couple other little odds and ends, including his first break-in oil change. So let's go ahead and get right into that today. Öhlins is #1 in the game in terms of steering dampeners, so it's refreshing to see this young man buy some quality stuff for his nice brand new bike. What are you looking at? That's a nice color. The candy? These are real nice. That'll do nice. We're gonna start with his oil change. We got his fill cap off so that it's gonna flow. We'll crack his drain, get his filter out, new stuff in, it's gonna be great. And then we'll move on to his dampener, and lastly, his Impaktech race rails. First oil change, that oil is black. Dude, that's nasty looking, huh? Isn't it? Dude. Dude, I'm stoked for randos. We're gonna have a hell of a time. Anytime you're putting a new filter in a bike, make sure that you get a little bit of oil on that seal. This way you get a good seal. It's down real tight, like a Toyga. This will. So we're winning.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like.
I love the sound of that Bassani. Such a nice bike. Cool. We're gonna move on with his steering dampener install. Is there another? Oh, there is.
Look at the opposite of what I would want in my head.
So we got the Öhlins dampener right now. We're turning it up. Super nice packaging. I'm a sucker for good packaging. Impaktech always does a good job with this portion of shipping. So again, nice to see. Consistent. Yeah. I don't. A little bit more. These jaws just thread right into the motor, I believe.
Back to hard. Here at Kirk, we spare no expense. I'm not a motorcycle painter, and I'll pay for at least 1 meal.
2023 Zx6r. We just finished putting race rails and Olin's steering dampener and a brake and oil change on it. The bike sounds, rides, and looks amazing. So we'll give him a call and let him know it's ready to get picked up, and we'll move on to our next little project. ...2022 TTR125, our guy Bubba had me pick this up this morning from his garage. It's not starting, it might be a battery, it could be something else, but we're gonna dig into it right now. I have a line of Yamahas in here, which is super exciting. We got the 90, the 125, the 450, and of course my scooter back there. So a lot of blue at Misguided today. We're gonna hopefully get some of that blue out of here this week. My first call as mayor, no more parking tickets. he's got my vote. I got a little bit of mud on my glasses from the gravel sesh, but 125 for Bubba, it's running. He's gonna have a blast on it this season. Super cool bike to zip around town on, especially if you're on the west side. Make sure to stop on in if you're 125 or any other bike you have isn't running, whether it's a big deal or really not that big of a deal, we'll take care of it. Give me a ring, I'm here Monday through Saturday, noon to 6, and we got a bunch of people in here right now hanging out, so we'll probably mingle a little bit and then maybe get back to being productive. I squeezed through here. 2018 Grom. My boy just picked this thing up. He wants a 12 bar, which I have in stock. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this thing around back, do a quick 12 bar install, and get him out of here because I know he wants to go downtown today. Part of the fun about these little bikes is that they're so fucking reliable. Yeah. You know? This one.